So this is how I lost 10 kilos in a few months by making my own breakfast in hotels and doing a lot of sports. So first start with, for myself, swimming, but the sport doesn't matter, any sport, and eat less. So I just swam 1 kilometer, now it's time for breakfast. Yesterday I went to the shop, I bought everything I need, so 7 ingredients, starting with oats, then honey, milk, goji berries, some nuts. I didn't find walnuts, so I have cashew nuts, 1 lemon, and ideally I would use a blueberry, but I didn't find any, so I have banana today. And let's start with the instant oats. So not already prepared, no added sugar anywhere, and I take the cup from the hotel, add some oats, up around 30 grams, and I have some boiling water. Just put a little boiling water on the oats to make them better to eat, and mix up a little. Okay. Then next step, I add some honey. So here's some honey. It is supposed to be pure honey with no added sugar. And here let's add a spoonful of honey. Alright, delicious. Add around 10 to 20 grams of crushed nuts. So here I have cashew nuts, but it can be any nuts. Ideally walnuts, but again, we went in a few shops and I didn't find any, so this is my usual sports breakfast, and after all I have during the day is one meal, any meal, you can eat anything. If you do some sports, you eat light and good, you can eat everything. Okay, here, some nuts, now some goji berries, dry goji berries, here, a handful, add them, and I separate them so it's easier than to mix and to eat. Okay, now take a banana. I will add half of a banana. It's enough. The same, I kind of crush it. So ideally I would have berries, fresh berries or frozen berries like blueberries, but again I didn't find any yet. And by doing this breakfast, I don't need any hotel breakfast. I eat too much at the breakfast hotel with the buffet. And with this, it cost me. It cost me altogether a little more than 10 euros, $12, and I can make around 8 breakfasts. Sport breakfast, healthy breakfast. And again, if you do some sport, usually you lose weight. So unfortunately everything is in plastic, not ideal, but that's how it is. I need to make a hole. Okay. And finally, some milk. Any kind of milk. Add some milk. There we go. And that's it. Now mix it up. You can do it from any hotel. Some homemade Bircher Muesli. So oats, some nuts, some berries, a splash of lemon juice, a little bit of milk, some honey for the taste, otherwise it's very bland. And here we go. Just let it rest a little, because now the oats are still a little hard, and the goji berries also, as they are dry, they are hard, so just wait a little and it will be good. Enjoy.